Hi viewers, today our video topic is the paper palm leaves craft. Paper you can make the palm leaves with the different color papers. uh, Craft beautiful as you watching on the screen. Beautiful paper palm tree leaves craft. You can decorate the stage with the paper palm leaves. You can decorate the vase and table decoration with the paper palm leaves. Colorful paper you can mm, convert in the leaves, different design and different colors, different shapes. Palm leaves, uh, watching on the screen, different colorful leaves, like palm leaves made with the paper craft. Different color papers craft, palm leaves crafts. You are watching the wheat uh, colorful. You are watching the wall decoration with the palm leaves, paper palm leaves. You are watching blue color. You are watching red and green color paper palm leaves made with the paper. You are watching different light colors and different palm leaves. You are watching the dry color paper palm leaves. You are watching the wall decoration of the palm leaves, paper palm leaves. You are watching the color paper made the leaves. You are watching the decoration with the paper palm leaves. You are watching color paper made the palm leaves craft. You are watching now worth wall decoration, different colorful paper palm leaves. You are watching the room decoration, save money and be a paper palm leaves. You are watching the different colorful paper palm leaves, a bunch of the paper colorful palm leaves, different color. You are watching the brown color palm leaves, like dry. You can decorate anywhere. You are watching the some white and brown combination. You are watching the brown palm leaves craft.